Hello everybody, welcome to UIICL Embrace the UIICL learning experience. In this video, I'm going to discuss the exam pattern and syllabus of UIIC AO Legal exam. Starting with the important dates, you can fill the online registration form from 15th of October to 5th of November. The tentative date of online written exam is 14th of December. There are 20 vacancies. Around 60 to 65 students will be going for interview. Coming to the exam pattern. This time there has been a change in the exam pattern. Sectional timings have been introduced which may affect the cutoff. Now you can see there are 6 subjects: reasoning, English language, quant, general awareness, computer and professional knowledge. There are different number of questions in each section. In reasoning, quantitative aptitude, there are 25 questions to be attempted in 20 minutes, which, if I am frank, is not possible. In 20 minutes, attempting 25 questions may be a difficult task. You can attempt somewhere 15 questions over here. Then in English language, 40 questions are to be attempted in 30 minutes. In general awareness, 20 questions in 15 minutes, which is again possible. Computer knowledge, 30 questions in 20 minutes. And these 30 questions are of 20 marks. So computer knowledge has less weightage. For all the other areas, reasoning, English, quant and general awareness, every question is of 1 mark. And your professional knowledge has 60 questions of 120 marks. So every question is of 2 marks over here, which is to be attempted in 45 minutes. So your overall maximum marks are 250 and duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. This is now the pattern of exam. If you look at last year pattern, there was no sectional timing. Composite time of 2 hours was there and there were 5 subjects. Quantitative aptitude and computer literacy were a single subject. The number of questions were 25 in QREGA and 50 in your professional part. So this time there has been a slight change in the exam pattern and most importantly sectional timing has been introduced. Other aspects, there will be one descriptive test which is qualifying. This will be evaluated only if you clear the sectional cutoff in every subject in the objective portion. This descriptive test is of 30 minutes. It is of 30 marks test and has 2 questions, letter writing of 10 marks and essay of 20 marks. This will be conducted through online mode. You will have to obtain a minimum score for each section of objective test separately for shortlisting for the descriptive test evaluation. Candidate shall be required to qualify in the descriptive test, but the marks in descriptive test will not be counted towards shortlisting for interview or final selection. So your descriptive test is only qualifying in nature. Then other aspects, there is negative marking present in the objective test. 1/4 negative marking is there. There will be sectional cutoff and there will be one overall cutoff in the objective test. Now let's look at the syllabus which was given in 2023. In 2023 recruitment syllabus was released and this was the syllabus for the legal stream. Constitution of India, Insurance Act, Motor Vehicle Act, Consumer Protection Act, Arbitration Conciliation Act, National Legal Services Authority Act, Basics of Indian Evidence Act, Basics of IPC. Here you will have to study the new criminal laws as well. Then laws of insurance, this includes IRDA Act and General Insurance Business Nationalization Act. Then law of torts. Then Indian Contract Act or law of contracts. Here also study Specific Relief Act, Sale of Goods Act and Partnership Act. And basics of Civil Procedure Code. So this was the syllabus which was introduced last year. I hope this can give you a clarity about what you have to prepare. You can refer to this syllabus and at least start preparation for these laws. After your online written exam, you have interview. In interview, candidates 3 times the number of vacancies will be called. The weightage of online examination and interview is 75:25 respectively. So this is the entire exam pattern and syllabus. If you still have any doubts, you can join the workshop at 7 PM today. Prachi Mam, Kailash sir and I will be there to discuss everything about UIICL exam and to answer all your queries. Register using the link present in the description and be there at 7 PM today to get all your queries answered. This is a free workshop, so make the best use of this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with UIICL and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.